So this recent pronouncement by veteran Jamaican sprinter Asafa Powell that his focus is on making the 2020 Olympic team. Of course, the reactions have been predictable. At age 37, to be 38 next year, why Asafa not going to sit down and relax? But you know, say, the fact that Asafa Powell is even thinking about making the Jamaican Olympic sprint team at his age is indeed another blistering indictment on our male sprinting. In other words, if our young sprinters were burning up the track, dropping 9.9s and 9.8s and 9.7s regularly, Asafa would be looking for something else to do. Instead of thinking about making the Olympic team, the fact is that we cannot dismiss the possibility of Asafa Powell making the Olympic team next year. If he turns up fit and healthy at 37, going 38, he would beat most of this generation of young sprinters who are 10 and 15 years his junior. And we can't blame Asafa for that. So I am in full support of Asafa Powell coming to trials next year and try to make the Olympic team. It's not Asafa why the young sprinter them are go back way. so we are saying big up the something thing. What do you mean? When the Maverick criticize Asafa back in the day. Well, no, they defend Asafa. Yes, Asafa, yes.